Have you ever wondered how to climb the credit card ladder? Well, let's embark on a journey of financial discovery together. Picture a ladder, each rung representing a different level of credit card. At the bottom, we have the basic, low-tier cards, and as you climb, you'll find the premium, high-tier cards waiting at the top. This ascent, my friends, is what we call the credit card ladder. Now, you might be asking, how do we actually climb this ladder? It's not about reckless spending or gathering a hoard of shiny plastic. No, climbing the credit card ladder is a carefully planned journey, a strategic game of chess, if you will. It demands responsible credit use, a keen understanding of your finances, and a well-thought-out plan. The first step in your journey is to understand the concept of credit card tiers. These tiers are levels of credit cards, each with their own unique features, benefits, and drawbacks. The lower tiers usually consist of basic, no-frills cards. These are your starters, the cards you get when you're just dipping your toes into the world of credit. As you climb higher, you'll encounter mid-tier cards. These often come with better rewards and perks, but also higher fees and more stringent requirements. And at the top, the premium, high-tier cards offering the most lavish rewards and perks, but also demanding the highest fees and the best credit scores. But remember, this isn't a race to the top, it's a journey. Each step up the ladder should be taken with careful consideration, weighing the benefits and drawbacks, and making sure you're ready to handle the added responsibility that comes with each new tier. And the ultimate goal? It's not to have a wallet bulging with credit cards, it's about maximizing the value you get from your cards, whether that's in the form of cash back, travel rewards, or other perks. That's the true art of climbing the credit card ladder. Remember, climbing the credit card ladder isn't just about getting more cards, but about getting more value from your cards. To climb the ladder, you need to understand the different tiers of credit cards. Let's dive into the 5 distinct tiers of credit cards that span from student cards to premium travel cards. Starting at the base of the ladder, we have student credit cards. These cards are designed for individuals who are new to the credit world, typically students. They offer low credit limits and have few features, but are a great way to start building credit history. The drawbacks? They may have higher interest rates and rewards programs are often lacking. Next, we ascend to the second tier, which consists of basic credit cards. These are a step up from student cards, offering slightly higher credit limits and lower interest rates. Some even come with basic rewards programs. However, they may still have annual fees and fewer benefits compared to higher tier cards. We then move on to the mid-tier, which is where things start to get interesting. These cards offer moderate credit limits and come packed with attractive rewards programs and benefits. You might start to see cash back on purchases, travel rewards, or even insurance coverage. The caveat? These cards often come with higher annual fees. The fourth tier is where we find premium credit cards. These cards are designed for those with excellent credit and come with high credit limits. They offer generous rewards programs and a plethora of benefits like airport lounge access, travel insurance, and concierge services. However, they also come with a hefty annual fee. Finally, at the top of the ladder we have luxury travel credit cards. These are the creme de la creme of credit cards, offering the highest credit limits and the most extravagant rewards and benefits. These cards are typically reserved for high-income individuals with excellent credit. However, they come with a significant annual fee that can reach into the hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Each tier presents new opportunities and challenges, so it's important to choose the right card for your needs and financial situation. As we move up the ladder, the benefits increase, but so do the requirements and costs. Therefore, it's vital to consider your financial goals, spending habits, and ability to manage credit responsibly. Now that you understand the different tiers, let's talk about how to level up. Moving up the credit card ladder starts with establishing a solid credit foundation. This means building a good credit score. Your credit score is like your financial report card, and lenders use it to determine how likely you are to repay your debts. Paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and maintaining a long credit history are all ways to improve your score. Next, use your card responsibly. This goes hand in hand with building a good credit score. It's crucial to make your payments on time, stay within your credit limit, and avoid carrying a high balance. Demonstrating responsible credit use can lead to higher credit limits and access to better cards. Taking advantage of rewards programs is another key step. Many credit cards offer rewards for spending in certain categories such as travel, dining, or groceries. By strategically using your card for these purchases, you can earn points or cash back, which can then be used towards future purchases or even to pay off your card balance. Now, let's talk about timing. When it comes to applying for new cards, timing is everything. If you apply for too many cards at once, it can negatively impact your credit score. Instead, apply for new cards gradually, giving your credit score time to recover between applications. This also gives you time to get comfortable with each new card and fully understand its benefits and features. Lastly, consider your personal and financial needs. Each tier of the credit card ladder offers different benefits, so it's important to choose cards that align with your lifestyle and financial goals. Whether you're looking for cashback, travel rewards, or low interest rates, there's a card out there that's perfect for you. Remember, leveling up is a process, not an event. Patience and responsible credit use are key. So keep these tips in mind as you progress up the credit card ladder, and you'll be well on your way to the top tier cards in no time. I've personally climbed the credit card ladder, and I want to share my experience with you. My journey began over 6 years ago as a fresh-faced student. I got my first credit card, a student card. It was nothing fancy, but it was a start. I was excited, but also a bit apprehensive. I knew the importance of building a good credit history, so I made sure to use the card wisely, paying off my balance in full each month. Soon, I was ready to move up a rung on the ladder. I applied for a middle-tier card. This card offered better rewards and benefits, but also came with a higher annual fee. I had to weigh the costs and benefits, but ultimately I decided that the rewards outweighed the fee. I was starting to learn the value of credit cards, not just as a means of payment, but as a tool for earning rewards and benefits, but I didn't stop there. I continued to climb the ladder, always keeping my eyes on the prize, the high-tier travel credit cards. These cards offer amazing benefits, from free travel insurance to access to airport lounges. I knew I wanted one of these cards, but I also knew that I had to be patient. I had to build a strong credit history before I could qualify for one of these top-tier cards. Finally, after years of careful credit use and diligent payments, I reached the top of the ladder. I got my Amex Platinum card, a high-tier travel credit card. The benefits have been amazing. I've been able to travel in comfort and style, all thanks to my credit card. But more than that, I've learned the value of credit. I've learned that with careful use and responsible payments, a credit card can be more than just a piece of plastic. It can be a tool for earning rewards, benefits, and even for traveling the world. My journey up the credit card ladder has been rewarding, and I believe yours can be too. Let's recap what we've learned about climbing the credit card ladder. Our journey began at the bottom rung, where we explored the world of starter credit cards. These are the cards that help us dip our toes into the credit pool, ideal for students or those with no credit history. They may not offer the most glamorous rewards, but they're the stepping stones to higher tiers. Next, we ascended to the second tier, the basic rewards cards. With these in our wallet, we start to see the perks of credit card usage, rewards like cashback and travel points. From there, we climb to the mid-tier cards, where the rewards get richer and the annual fees start to appear. But remember, the goal isn't to collect cards or rack up fees. It's about getting more value from your cards. In the fourth tier, we encountered the premium credit cards. These cards offer substantial rewards, but come with higher annual fees. They require excellent credit and responsible usage, but they're not the summit. The pinnacle of our climb is the elite tier, home to high-end travel cards like the Amex Platinum. These cards offer the best rewards, but they demand the highest fees and the most responsible credit use. Climbing this ladder isn't about speed. It's about making smart, calculated decisions based on your financial situation and credit score. It's about understanding the different credit card tiers and leveling up responsibly. And remember, the aim is not to have a wallet bursting with plastic. It's about maximizing the value of your credit cards, whether that's through travel rewards, cashback, or other benefits. It's important to remember that credit is a tool. Used responsibly, it can open doors and provide opportunities. Misused, it can lead to financial hardship. So as you climb the credit card ladder, always prioritize responsible credit use. Climbing the credit card ladder is a journey, but with patience, planning, and responsible credit use, you can reach the top.